Yo, what's going on? Welcome to Phuket Walk. This is your Phuket Walker, Alex, and we're currently at Royal Phuket Marina. Let's check out the lovely Saturday sunny vibes. Well, a little bit cloudy, but definitely warm, hot vibes. But anyways, enough of me. Let's get going. And it's definitely sunny now. I was not wrong. But there are some passing clouds to make this walk slightly more enjoyable, as the temperatures on the island has been rising, so it's fairly hot today. Definitely feels like somewhere near about 30 degrees Celsius. But of course, we're right by the seashores here, so we have a nice cool breeze, and of course a lovely marina. And who am I to complain about some sun and this lovely tropical vibe and tropical island of Phuket, Thailand. Let's get going. We'll walk around the marina first, take a nice little tour, enjoy my stroll in. Of course, we'll head back to the waters and enjoy some of these yachts and boats some more. Passing by High Roller, an amazing spot to chill. Definitely been there before for a couple of nice drinks, and for sure we'll be back for some more. Let's keep going. Of course, there's many other venues to enjoy at Royal Phuket Marina. Nice restaurants, cafes, many places to chill and relax. And of course, you can also head over to AGY if you are interested in booking a boat tour. A yacht tour, that is. If you want to charter some yachts, AGY is the place to go. We just passed by the AGY office, but they have another one there. Good people there. Some of you might know I heard some good things about them. Great things and great reviews, of course. So check it out yourself. Good island vibes. Nice music. And hopefully no copyright strikes. Let's check out the courtyard area here first. And before we do that, there we go. Once again, for those of you interested perhaps in getting a yacht charter, that would be the place to go. Now, once again, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just heard really good reviews. Excellent reviews, actually. And this would be the entrance area if you're being dropped off. And a beautiful view of the marina. And here we are, Asia Global Yachting. Nice cafe here. Now in the evening times, the marina does get quite busy, of course. And you're like, in the evenings? Yes, well, early mornings and evenings. Because right now it's just too hot. Unless you have a boat tour schedule, particularly at this time. Which is, I think, rare to be going out at this type of hot conditions. You want to probably go a little bit earlier than that. Or perhaps enjoy the marina in the evening times where you can stroll around and walk around. Enjoy the more cooler vibes. As the hot season has arrived, well, be arriving anyways, because tomorrow is the day of the Songkran Festival, aka also is Thailand New Year's. So everyone in Thailand will be in a big water fight. And in tradition to cool down, of course, in preparation for the hot season. And of course, followed by the rainy season afterwards. So who am I to complain? Let's enjoy this beautiful vibe. Enjoy the sun. Despite being it slightly warmer, I think I'm gonna miss it when the rainy season arrives. But don't get me wrong, the island's still beautiful when it rains, and offering a different type of atmosphere, of course. Let's walk to the front here. See any yachts you like yet? seafood restaurant and bar. Cool. Let's cool down a bit before we head back into the sun. Eight-ball pool. Nice restaurant to chill and relax. Nice breezy AC and air conditioning in here. Whew. Definitely needed some cooling down. Despite being a bit warmer, definitely a nice relaxing vibe here. Especially after a nice meal, a breakfast, and a cup of coffee. Definitely a good place to have a nice relaxing walk. Enjoy the seaside. Beautiful yachts, of course. And as you can see, the marina is still developing and improving. New structures are being built. And a new restaurant we saw earlier moving in. Seems like a lot more improvements to come. And here we are, back to the ocean, back to the yachts. And of course, back to the wonderful restaurants and amenities and atmosphere. Whether you're interested for a nice drink, perhaps chartering a yacht, or just want to walk around like myself. I would definitely recommend Royal Phuket Marina. Definitely a hidden gem, I would say. It is pretty famous, I guess. I guess hidden gem as in perhaps not your first choice of visit, but of course unless you're a yacht lover. But for those of you who have not heard about it, that's my point. Do come to Royal Phuket Marina because it's just a wonderful place to enjoy Phuket Island. And the sunny vibes, of course. Alright, thank you for coming along, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this short stroll and tour of Royal Phuket Marina. I certainly did. Despite being a little bit hot, like I mentioned before, it's a great place to walk around and just have a good time, of course, and grab a drink, grab some food, and check out the beautiful vibes. Anyways, I'm just rambling on, so I'm going to wrap this one up, everybody. I'm your Phuket Walker, Alex. Sawadee Kup, Sawadee Ka, and Sawadee Ja. I will catch you later.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm on